Alright, as promised, I'm back again. And this time I managed to get some of the side decals on the Enterprise, the original Enterprise. So this time I focused on the neck, starboard neck, the starboard secondary hull, and the starboard nacelle. So I'll bring the ship up so that you can see. So there's the starboard neck. It's kind of in the shadow. There's the starboard secondary hull with the light and dark windows. And there is the starboard nacelle stripe. So that's about all I'm going to do for now until everything dries. And then I'll come back and do some more afterwards. Talk to you later. Oh, and there is one more thing. I'll put the stand this way so that you can see it. What I will do, is I will keep extra decals for the ship, or the decals I haven't used yet, in one of the tool drawers. And then when I have extras left over, once I've done the 3-ship set, all the extra decals that were used will fit in the drawer. And then if a decal breaks in the future, I'll be able to go into this drawer. I'll know precisely which drawer it is, and I can replace a decal. So that should work just fine. I'm going to shift this a bit. There you go. Because if that's true, I can do. I'm going to shift the tripod this way. There you go. There's a good view of the desk. And the cutting mat, I've turned it lengthwise now. So that should work. I'll come back when I've put more decals on the ship. Now, I think if I place it at the corner of the mat, just like it is, that'll be the best way to see everything as I'm working. As I'm using the tools and everything, I think I'll be able to see everything. I just got to make sure to bring it into camera range. But I think that'll work. I think that'll work. But as you can see, well, I hope you can see, I have the 2500 scale Enterprise ready for more decals. I realize I don't have to paint those windows white. Well, I don't have to paint the windows white because there's decals that go over them, black windows. And some of those decals are actually these ones, S18 and S19. Those are the side hull window decals. If you look very closely, it's hard to tell, but S13, S14, S15, white windows. Probably for the maybe the secondary hull, maybe the neck. S23, you have the nacelle inner grills. And let's see here. You have S3, S4. Those are the navigation lights, from what I can tell. Registry numbers S2. S6 and S5, again, are little windows, or maybe the white things that go on top of the hull. You can see S17 and S16. Those are the neck. Oh, well, now you can see them. Those are for the neck, and S1 is probably for the front of the hull. And then S9 and S8 are for the back of the saucer, on either side of that bolt cover. So I'll put up another video when I've done more, but as long as I make sure everything stays in view, it's going to be working out great. Talk to you later.